Hey everyone, and welcome. Just going to take you through a very short video tutorial on how to improve some of your lettering freestyle. It's something that I love to do, and I've created a few different posts this way, but I just want to show you from scratch how to do one, and you'll see a little bit more how it works as we go. I also want to show you a little bit about gold foil because I have had lots of inquiries about this for a while, but I'll just show you initially a way that I've created this for my posts. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in frames on the left here, so notice my cursor. So you're going to go to see all, and you remember you would have seen some of these in previous modules. But what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down till we find the letters. So here we are. Now there are different letter templates throughout Canva, but I'm just going to use these ones now because it's easy. I want to show you where they are. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to start to use the letters, and I'm going to play around with the size. So at the moment, let's just see if you can guess what I'm going to right here. I won't worry about the sizing right now as much. We'll do it all because I think I'm going to need a little bit more space, and because I need two E's and I need a D, so I'm sure some of you already know what I need. So I'm not going to write the entire word because I want to have this as a short tutorial, and I need the letter C. Okay, and once you see the image, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I could have done all of this in the exact same colouring, but again, I'm going to show you a few different versions, so I just want to make this as quick as possible. So if you haven't guessed yet, I'm a beach person and I always need vitamin C, and normally I would write it as SEA, but for today I just want to show you these letters with vitamin C. So what you then do is I've already uploaded some photos here. Try and make sure that they're always really good quality ones. As I said, Canva is getting a little bit stingy. I love your Canva, but you're getting a bit stingy on the free photos. So you might have to go to Unsplash or Pixabay or a few other places that have copyright-free or royalty-free images and use those. But you really do want quite a good resolution. And all you're going to do is you're going to remember this is an element. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure if we drag it across here, it'll go into the whole back. And we don't want that. Okay, that's great. That's great for a complete post, but at the moment we just want to fill in the letters. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag it. Remember, I'm using a desktop at the moment, not a phone, so it is slightly different on a phone, but I'm going to put it into that letter, and I might put this one into the V. I might put this one into the V, and I might put the water just into the other letters. Okay, so that's how you would do it if you were using letters and photos in the background. So again, remember you can use photos that already exist in Canva. Because I wanted to make this quick, I wanted to show you how to do it in that way. So we'll just go back and have a look where you were. We were in the frames part, so you'll click see all. You will then go scrolling until you find letters. You can also type letters up in there, and I'll show you again. We might just make this one. I normally would write I need vitamin C, but I might instead now write I need a vacay. So again, showing you how quick and easy it is. Of course, it is slightly quicker on a desktop, but in a few modules, I'm going to be showing you how to do a few other things on your phone so you can also keep up. But ultimately, here we got the images there. And we might just go and put the A in there, put the A in there, whoops, drag the A into that, and finish with the Y. Okay, so there you go. That gives you an idea on what we have. If you want to, you can, put a background in it or anything, but I actually quite like it that way. So it just gives you an idea what we can do. So that is one way that you can do it, and you can do exactly the same. Let's create a new page here. I've uploaded some quite high quality foils here. A lot of people have been asking about foil images. So again, you use exactly the same process, and we could, let's just do L, V, let's do E, LOVE, and there we go. So, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my gold foil into each individual image. Remember, I'm not doing this for aesthetics. I'm a little bit fussier when it comes to colours and things like that, but I'm just showing you the quickest tutorial on how you can create some beautiful gold lettering. Remember, you have got backgrounds here, and Canva still does have a lot of backgrounds available, so you can go and play around with other colours. Oops, there we go. It's not dragging across as easily. Let me just take out one of the foils. Oh, let's put it across the background there. Oh dear. Let's see if we can drag it across. Sometimes it does wacky things. Oh, because they're backgrounds. Oh, silly me. I'm being a bit silly. I forgot about that. That's right. They are backgrounds, so they're going to go into the whole space. So let's have a look here. Get a free photo. There we go. We can put the free photo in there. It doesn't really show up very well. But you can go and find the particular images that are free in Canva, or upload your own. So again, we'll just finish it off with the really pretty gold foil that I downloaded, and there you go. That's how to create some really pretty lettering using elements as the letter, and then just placing an image behind it. So have a practice, and I look forward to seeing some of your fantastic creations very soon. Got some really cool things coming up in modules soon. So much love for now, and I will see you again in another module. Bye for now.